Assalamu alaikum and good morning dear students. Congratulations on your promotion. On behalf of Peshawar Model School, I welcome you. I welcome you all to the online classes. My name is Hasina Dohar and I am appointed to be your class 1 English teacher. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. I am so excited to meet you all on school opening. We are going to have a fabulous school year full of fun and learning. But right now, we are going to start our study through online classes as it is not allowed to go to school due to corona pandemic. Well, we are going to learn so many new and exciting things together. I welcome you all again and let us start today's class. As you, as you know, we don't have any proper book. Our planning is based on single national curriculum. So we are taking start from handwriting pattern, letter formation. Letter formation of uppercase, capital letters along with lowercase small letters. Let's move towards letter formation. First, take out your rough register and open English portion in it. Say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Take out your sharp pencil and eraser. Draw margin lines on both sides like this. First, write serial number on the top like this with your pencil. S in the upper three lines, dot, NO, serial number. Then write English A as the topic handwriting pattern is the topic of English A. E and G, L I S H dash A, English A. Then on the top, in the middle of the page, write C dot W, the short form of classwork. Then over here, write date, 26th April 2021. Now, in the first line, write topic, T in the upper three lines, O in the middle two lines, T in the lower three lines, I in the middle two lines, and C in the middle two lines. Topic. Then, in the next line, write handwriting pattern. H, A, N, D, hand. W, R, I, write. W is silent. It's not producing sound. Write. T, I, N, G, ting. Handwriting. And then one finger gap. And then pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N, pattern. Handwriting pattern. A to Z. Capital A, uppercase of A, and small a, the lowercase of alphabets, to Z. Now start with me. Hold your pencils like this. Put your pencils under the line A to Z. Your first line is this. Write with me and write. Start from the top. Straight line. A. Draw two lines like this. Touch these lines properly. Okay. Now join these two lines. It's A. The uppercase of A. Capital A. Now make a circle like this and draw a line like this with a small tail. It's your small a, the lowercase of A. Now move towards the other block. Write capital B. Draw a line. Touch the upper three lines properly and then go round. Make a circle. Touch this line again and then again draw another circle and touch this line again. It's capital B or the uppercase of B. Now write the small b, draw a straight line, draw a circle in the middle two lines and join this line with a small tail like this. The lowercase of b, the small b. Then in the next block, write C. Make a circle, start from the first line, then go down, touch the third line, and it's your capital C, the uppercase of C. Now, with the turn of small c, the lowercase of C, like this in the middle two lines. Then it's the turn of D, capital D. Draw a line like this, draw a circle, touch the third line. It's your capital D, the uppercase of D. Now, small d, draw a line in the upper three lines, make a circle, touch this line with a small tail. It's small d, the lowercase of D. A, B, C, D. Now move towards the next line. Draw a straight line, then another line on the top, in the middle, and on the third line. It's E. Uppercase of E, the capital E, and now small e. Write small c like and then bend it. It's E. Touch the two lines properly. Now F. In the next column, draw a straight line, and other line on the top, and in the middle a straight line. It's the uppercase of F. And the small ABC in the small letters, the lowercase of F is just like this, straight line and little bend on the top and a line in the mid like this. It's the big hand is the short hand. The short hand is small and the big, and this one is long hand. F, F. Okay, the sound of F, F. E, F. Now G. Start from the first line, then go down, move up, then again bend inside and little down. It's G, the uppercase of G, and Then the lowercase of g is like this. Draw a circle in the middle 2 lines, then go down from here and a little bend. It's G. Now in the next block, it's H. Draw a straight line, then with a little gap, draw an other line, then join these 2 lines like this. It's your uppercase of H. Now the lowercase, the small letter of H is, draw a straight line and then from the second line draw a curved line like this. It's the lowercase of H. Now move towards the next line. It's the turn of I. Straight line like this and then a line on the top and the next line on the third line. It's I, the uppercase of I. Now write the lowercase of I, the small I, straight line in the middle 2 lines and the dot on the top between the first 2 lines, I. In the next block, write J like this, straight line, a little bend, line on the top, it's the uppercase of J, and then write the small j, the lowercase of j is straight line in the lower 3 lines, a little bend, don't touch this line, and dot on the top. It's lowercase of j. Now write K with me, straight line, and the hand of K start from the top, touch this line, look at the key carefully. The next hand should be started from this first hand, from here, second hand, K, the uppercase of K and the lower case of K, straight line, and this short hand, and the next hand is like this, it's K. L in the next block, straight line, vertical straight line, and then on the third line again straight line, it's L. The uppercase of L and the lower case of L is like this, L, straight line and little bend. Hope you all are getting and writing. Show me your sheets, your registers. Okay, in the next lines, write M like this, straight line in the upper 3 lines, and then another line, touch the third line, another line like this, and move down and touch the third line. It's your M, the uppercase of M. The lower case of M is like this,